Have you ever felt like managing your money on the go is more of a hassle than a convenience? When I first opened my Ally bank account, I was skeptical about going completely digital. I'd always relied on walking into a physical branch. But the Ally mobile app quickly changed my mind, turning banking from a chore into something genuinely simple. After using it for a while, I've found a few key features that really stand out and are, frankly, game changers for everyday financial management. 1. Savings buckets and boosters. This is, without a doubt, my favorite part of the Ally app, especially for the savings account. It's the digital version of the old envelope system, but smarter. Savings buckets. I used to keep all my savings in one account, making it hard to track different goals. Now, I have separate buckets for things like new car down payment, vacation fund, and emergency fund. It lets you visually separate your money without opening multiple accounts, giving me instant clarity on where I stand with each goal. Boosters. This is where the automation kicks in. The Surprise Savings Booster analyzes my linked checking account and automatically transfers small, safe-to-save amounts to my savings, without me even noticing it's gone. The Roundups Booster does the classic thing of rounding up my debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and putting that change into savings. It's effortless saving on autopilot. 2. Ally eCheck Deposit. Gone are the days of having to find an ATM or mail in a check. The Ally eCheck Deposit feature is exactly what you need for a modern, online bank. You simply open the app, snap a picture of the front and back of your endorsed check, and hit Submit. It's fast, secure, and I've found the limits to be more than generous for standard deposits. The whole process takes less than a minute. 3. Spending buckets. Similar to the savings buckets, this feature in the spending, checking, account is incredible for budgeting and preventing accidental overspending. I use it to allocate funds for my predictable monthly expenses like groceries, utilities, and gas. The coolest part? I can tag specific merchants, and when I use my debit card at that place, the money is automatically deducted from the correct bucket. It makes sure I don't touch money reserved for bills. 4. Early direct deposit. This is a straightforward but highly appreciated benefit. With the Ally spending account, I often get my direct deposit paycheck up to 2 days sooner than I did with my old brick-and-mortar bank. This small-time advantage can be a huge relief if you're trying to manage your bills and budget right at the end of a pay cycle. 5. Card lock control. In the age of digital security, having quick control is crucial. If I ever misplace my debit card, or if I see a suspicious charge, I can immediately lock the card right from the mobile app. This instantly prevents any new transactions. When I find the card or resolve the issue, unlocking it is just as fast. It's a simple, powerful security feature that gives me peace of mind. These features, the buckets and boosters for smart saving, the eCheck deposit for convenience, spending buckets for budgeting, early direct deposit, and the card lock, are the core reasons I find the Ally mobile app to be the best way to manage my money. It brings together all the complex parts of finance into one clean, highly functional interface. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.